Alright, when passive systems go wrong. Okay, what we've got here is, it looks like a conventional sub-slab depressurization system. This house right here was actually built with a passive system. Right there is where it originally was, and I've capped that off. I'll show you what's going on when passive systems go wrong. That's what this video is about. Hi, my name is Scott. I'm a radon mitigator in Virginia. I make videos for other radon mitigators, those looking to get into the business. And if you're a homeowner, be sure and check out www.nrsb.org. It's National Radon Safety Board. That will put you in touch with a certified radon professional in your area. Just enter your zip code. Alright, so what I was supposed to do in this home is just simply activate a passive radon system. And so up there in the attic where I capped it off, there wasn't a space available to even place a fan. And so there's where I stubbed it off there. And that's where I came in with my 4-inch pipe to come down and then convert to 3-inch right there. That's called a closet flange 90, a closet 90. And then we're down here, stubbed into there. And so that's awfully high resistance right there. So what that tells me is that's not pulling air from under this slab like it should. So what we're going to do is I'm going to make a second penetration and suction point, and we're going to see if we can't move a little more air. Alright, here we are. Second leg is installed, and we're going to fire it up and see how we did. So I've got it on its own breaker right here, so I don't need to go outside and flip it. We'll do it right here. Starbucks. This program is brought to you by Starbucks. Alright. She's climbing, she's climbing, she's climbing, but she's not going to go way the heck up to 3.5. Alright, so what this means is we are moving a lot more air with this second leg. And you know, this is due diligence right here. I didn't want to have to do this. This takes a lot of doing to make that second hole right there. Down in there when I excavated, there was lots of good gravel, and I felt up under there and I couldn't feel a pipe. Something happened when they poured this floor and with this pipe. It essentially suffocated it. This thing has never worked. It's not really doing anything right now. Quite frankly, I was surprised it wasn't full of water from catching rain for years and years. So I mean, apparently it's weeping a little bit to allow for that, but this right here is doing all the work. Yeah, there we go. Different filming it. So I learned a big lesson here. I put more effort and materials into activating this passive system than had I just put one in from scratch. So I dreamed of a way last night to test for this, to keep this from happening again. That's what I do. I lay in bed at night and I think of Sheryl Crow, Dolly Parton, and radon. And so stay tuned. I'll show you how I'm going to test for this to keep this crap from happening again. And this is how you make a passive system right. Hope you picked up something. Till we meet again.